Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, I really appreciate the effort that you put in and for always coming through. So today I am going to talk about the HELB. I saw this comment. I just haven't had time to come and reply to this comment. I'm really sorry about it, but it can help somebody else who really needs the help, that how to get the HELB number. So we have three options. These options are: number one, once you create your profile, there'll be a confirmation email at the end of the application. So for example, you're creating the profile. Once you get to the end of the profile, you're going to get a confirmation email to your email, the one that you have registered with. So make sure you check that email out. There'll be a HELB number right there. Or if you don't see the email, check in your spam folder or the junk folder and you're going to get it there. The second option is if you applied for HELB. Let's say, for example, you applied for HELB. You're going to be given a form. Either you can print it or you can download it and you're going to get your confirmation number too. The third option is you're going to check your profile. Just go to your profile, log in with your details. Is it your email and your password? Go to your profile, check it out. You're going to find your HELB number right there. If there's any questions or there's a place where you do not understand what it is that you have to do, please feel free to visit them. They are at Hazina Center. It's in town, Hazina Center, okay? Go to their place. You can find them there. I think it should be 5th floor. I'm not so sure about it. Do your due diligence, but it should be at Hazina Center. If you go to Hazina and ask even the security guards there, they'll be able to direct you to where you're supposed to go, okay? And then the number that you can call them is 0711 052 000, or you can call them on 020 224 2000. I'm going to pin them down here so that you can be able to refer to them whenever you want to call them. Or you can contact them via email, which is contactcenter@helb.co.ke. You can as well contact them via email. Or you can visit them at 5th floor, Hazina Anniversary Towers. Actually, I'm sorry, it's Anniversary Towers, Nairobi. So make sure you go there, check them out. Yeah, but it's called Hazina. Yeah, that's the other name for that. So make sure you check them out. If there's any questions, if there's any place that I've talked about that you do not understand, feel free to contact me or write a comment down below. I'll be able to guide you through. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day. Bye.